Ready to cash out some of your cryptocurrency gains or rebalance your portfolio? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of selling your crypto on the Crypto.com app and converting it back to fiat currency. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Knowing how to sell your cryptocurrency is just as important as knowing how to buy it. The process is straightforward, and I'll show you exactly how to execute a sale safely and efficiently. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to the Accounts or Wallet tab. Here you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold. Select the one you want to sell from this list. Tap the Sell button that appears on the Assets Details page. You'll be presented with different selling options. You can usually choose to sell to your fiat wallet, to another cryptocurrency, or to your linked bank account directly. Enter the amount you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount in your local currency, or sell a certain percentage or exact amount of your crypto holdings. The app will show you the current market price and the total you'll receive. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming. Check the exchange rate, any fees, and the net amount you'll receive. Once you're satisfied, confirm the sale. The funds will typically appear in your fiat wallet instantly. A crucial pro tip: consider using limit orders instead of market orders if you're selling a significant amount. This allows you to set a specific price at which you want to sell, potentially getting you a better rate than the current market price. And just like that, you've successfully converted your cryptocurrency back to traditional currency. Understanding how to sell gives you complete control over your investment strategy. If this guide helped you navigate the selling process confidently, please give it a like. What's your strategy for deciding when to sell cryptocurrency? Share your approach in the comments below. To learn more about managing your crypto assets, subscribe for our next video on how to deposit crypto into your Crypto.com wallet. Thanks for watching.